Jones with Pool Warehouse, and today we're looking at the Liberty 200 robotic pool cleaner. Now, what I love about this pool cleaner, it's the first one by Maytronics that I've seen that's cordless. So this is a rechargeable cleaner. We're gonna go ahead and open it up and show you what's on the inside. As we get into it, right on top, you'll wanna save the paperwork. This is your warranty registration, user's manual, that type of stuff. Make sure to set this aside. You do wanna register your warranty. And let's see what we've got on the inside. They do have great packaging on these, which I love. And the cleaner is actually pretty easy to pull out. And it has some great colors. It's a black and teal looking cleaner, and it truly has no cord. First time I've seen a Maytronics version like that as well. You do have a power supply to charge this with, so you will need that. Now it also comes with a hook. I think there's several different ways you can pull this out of the water, but there is the hook method that just pops into any maintenance pole. Hook it in the front, lift it out. You could also grab it with your hands, but we'll get into the manual and see what they recommend for removing it from the water. But out of the box, it's pretty straightforward. It looks like your standard robotic pool cleaner, and you have the compartment on the top, and it looks like that's where your filters go. Now this is a filter canister. It's a little bit different than your traditional ones that have the cartridges that you pull out. You open the cartridges, you clean those. This is more like a skimmer basket. So you pull it out, you're gonna just dump it out. Debris goes right in the bottom. So that's pretty straightforward and easy to use. And we'll set that over here. Let's take a peek on the bottom. Now this is what makes this really a great cleaner. It's got the scrub brushes on the front. This really removes debris from the bottom of the pool. It helps kick up that debris that's on the wall of the pool. Really great for cleaning the pool. That's why you want a robotic cleaner, because it scrubs the pool so you don't have to go. Now we've got the Liberty 200 unboxed, and we're gonna peek on the inside and take a look at the filters. Now, if you remember, most Dolphin or Maytronic style cleaners that are robots have cartridges on the inside. This one has a skimmer basket. Now it does come with the ultra fine filters, and they're pretty easy to clean. It comes apart simply, but I do love the design. It's easy to pull that out. You can dump it out easily and then put it back in. So the filter cartridges are pretty easy to use. And let's see here. Underneath, the debris gets kicked up. And this is safe for vinyl pools, fiberglass pools, and gunite pools. But do note that it's only good for pools up to 33 foot. So if you have a pool bigger than 33 foot, probably need to go with a different cleaner. But on those standard smaller size pools like a 1632, this is gonna be the perfect wireless rechargeable cleaner for your pool. Anyway, so as this climbs the walls and it goes across the floor, it's gonna kick up that debris. That debris is gonna get sucked in right from the bottom. Once that canister gets full, just go ahead and empty that. Now to charge it, we'll flip it around here. You're gonna use, and it's a pretty neat design, it's a magnetic power plug. How cool is that? Plugs in magnetically. Now you're gonna need to charge for 3 hours. When you get it out of the box, we're gonna go ahead and charge it and then drop it in the pool. But do know, you do have to charge, and make sure you remove the sticker on the front. That's where your power button lives, but they do want you to charge it first before you try to use it. I think that's why they leave that sticker on there, just to remind you, hey, charge this first. Once you get it charged, remove that. We'll drop it in the pool now and show you how it works. Now, one of my favorite features, other than this is a cordless robotic pool cleaner, is that it only weighs in at 18 pounds. So it's very convenient to put in the pool, but also to take out of the pool when you're ready to stow it after cleaning. If you have questions about the Liberty 200 or any other Maytronics pool cleaners, feel free to give us a call Monday through Friday or visit us online at poolwarehouse.com.